Hi, my name is Sebastian from GMS Instruments. In this video I'm going to show you how to start up the Riken Keiki GX-2009 per-channel multigas detector and how to perform a fresh air calibration. Here we go. Press and briefly hold the power mode button. The backlight will light up and all the display segments will turn on. Now various displays are run through automatically. Press and hold the air button. The screen displays air call, hold air. After a few seconds the screen displays adjust release. Release the air button. The GX-2009 will take a few seconds to adjust the fresh air readings and then returns to the normal operation screen. The GX-2009 is now ready for the detection of gases.